car probe repair update. Still got to do the valve cover gaskets and anything associated with it, including the VRIS modules and the O2 sensors and whatever else, maybe the EGR valve. I have to do the two rear calipers, brake calipers. One of them's leaking, and then both of them kind of locked up the other day, so I had to take a hammer and like smack the emergency brake levers back so that my one wheel would spin again. And then I need some professional help with the paint. I did the best I could, but I need some professional help. And then of course the A-arm in the front. The A-arm, the rubber bushings are shot from the oil leak from the valve cover gaskets. But I did discover a new sound, which sounds like a vacuum leak back here. So let me start it up and see if you guys can help me. Let me know if it's an actual vacuum leak or what's going on, because I do have to do the valve cover gaskets. I have all the parts. It's just a matter of me getting it going. I don't hear the sucking as much as I did the other day. But the engine does sound a lot better when I first started, like a cold start. Less tapping. I think the normal mystery oil might be helping out the lifters. But now I do. Now I hear some sucking. Let me just stick this in here. So what I'm thinking is that I might have a vacuum leak also in there someplace. That's why my VRISs aren't working. I haven't posted in a while because I haven't really been doing much work to the probe. Again, there's only a handful of items that I need to repair, and then it should be kind of sorted. But you know, I'm not in any major rush. The main goal of getting it back on the road was accomplished, so now it runs and drives. It's just a matter of doing an oil leak, the rear calipers, the A-arm, and a few other miscellaneous things. So as I get motivation to do some repairs, or if I come across anything interesting about Ford probes, I'll share with y'all. If not, then I'll try to do a video every so often. So yeah, definitely keep subscribing and keep spreading the word of the Ford probe, because you know, there's not many left. Thanks. Okay, definitely not as crowded as it usually is. It's around 8:45 right now in the morning, Sunday morning. Drizzling out, but it's still warm. It's like 64. Wow, this is pretty funny. There's like no cars in the exotic car lot other than 2 Lotuses and 1 Jaguar, is that? And then the Porsche lot is like totally empty also, other than just a few 911s. So yeah, very interesting coming here on a rainy morning. I mean, it literally rained hard all last night, and it's supposed to rain all day today too. So I can see why. I guess the exotics aren't out. People are sleeping in. Yeah, I'm in the main lot now. It's pretty empty. So I guess there won't be many cars out today. I mean, it's really empty. Look at this. This is the main lot. Some dude over there showing his 911. I think he has like a turbocharger or something on it. It's like a big crowd gathered around it.
Started production about 2010. Went on shelves one. Open them up.
Lexus LFA is this? Well, the one good thing about a rainy morning is that there's really not that many cars to see, so you can cover them all and you don't have to feel like you missed anything. And this was a section that I had the Ford probe like last May or last April showing. So today I could have got here really late, and there's plenty of spots open. And of course I didn't see any Ford probes again this show. So the only show that I went to where I saw a Ford probe was the one that I showed my car at, which was last, I think, May. So we had one, and then we had that other black one. Oh well. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2. So is that code 52 now? It used to be code 21.